Guys, it's Christine here of Sides G Design LLC, and I'm coming to you with another unboxing this month. This one I am super excited for. I have been waiting for it. Back in June, I did the Ranger mystery box, and I posted a video on that, and I will link to that below in case you missed it. Last month I didn't do the mystery box because it was all the, and now the word escapes me, the little glitter tubes, and of course the word escapes me. Stickles. It was a box of stickles, and I don't really use them that much, so I was waiting, and this month I was able to snag the August mystery box. So I did check before I was about to film this. I went on the Rangers website and on their shop section, and I didn't see that they still have it listed, so it may be sold out. If you don't know what this is each month Ranger puts together a mystery box of supplies that are being discontinued or phased out, and it is $19.99 and $5 shipping, and it is a great deal for what you get, and it's always a surprise. So I'm going to go ahead and flip on over to the overhead camera, and we're going to open this up and see what goodies we got for August. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so here we go. All I have done so far for this is I just simply cut the edges. I did not open this yet, so we are going to check this out together. Oh, that's pretty. When I did my June unboxing, they had black tissue paper, so that purple's pretty. Let me see if I can get this to hold up there. I want to make sure I get zoomed in good so you guys can see all the treats. There we go. And I'll be sure when I'm done to take some photos and close-ups for you. So let's see what we've got for the mystery box in August. Ooh, I see more sparkles, stickles. Alright, I'm just going to tear into this for those of you who love tissue paper. I'm sorry. So here we go. Wow. They jam-packed it this month, and I am seeing some great things for Halloween. So we'll get started with all the glitter. We have liquid pearls in this green color. So there's a liquid pearls. I love this purple stickles. That's going to be great for Halloween and Halloween cards. Fabulous, fabulous. We have some clear fabric medium needle nose tip to create custom-made fabric points with inks, powders, and more. That's something I've not heard of. Inks Essentials. Create custom fabric paints with acrylic-based clear fabric medium. You can mix it with Ranger archival inks, perfect pearls powders, Adirondack pigment, and alcohol inks. Works with glitter and embossing powder too. Oh great, so you can mix this with materials you already have, and then it lets you paint on fabric. I think that's going to have to end up in a video. I like that. We have more stickles here. Ooh, it's another pretty color. This one's called Gunsmoke. It's kind of like a metallic. There we go. Let's see if that focuses for you. It's like a dark silver metallic, perfect for Halloween. These guys do great. We've got some Perfect Pearls Mist in Biscotti. In my last box, I got a white pearl and a turquoise pearl, so this will add to my collection. That's nice. Wow, there's just so much in here. Okay. Let's see. We have the Perfect Pearls Mist in Perfect Copper. Now this I know is going to really come in handy. I'll use this a lot because I love shimmer and golds and coppers and metallics. So, I mean, already, this is already over the value of what you spend for the box. I was looking forward to this all day. We have some Distressed Stains in Antique Bronze and Tarnished Brass. Again, fantastic. I love these. I have some already that I use, and these colors are always great metallics. And with the fall coming, these metallics will be great for fall cards, fall leaves. It's going to look awesome. So we have some more stickles. We have a large gold and a large silver. That'll come in handy for, dare I say it, Christmas time. I know it's a couple months away, but as crafters, makers are already planning. This will be perfect. And what else we've got? Stickles Dry Fine Glitter. Oh, and I just got that everywhere. Okay. Do you guys see what I did? Alright, I need a tray. So that's just powder glitter, and now I'm all sparkly, of course. So I'm going to set that aside on the tray so I can save that. I'm sure they'll end up on the cats and they'll be running around the house with glitter all over them. Oh wow. This is perfect for Halloween. I'm actually really excited for this one because I have the little version of this. This is the Delusions border stamp and stencil, and you get the large stamp and you get the stencil that goes with it. So you can stencil first and then use the stamp over it. And I think this is probably the 9x12 one, and I only have the little one. So that is awesome. I'm really excited for this, guys. This is going to be perfect for Halloween. Oh, here we go. Christmas time. Dear Santa, is it too late to negotiate? Naughty or nice, decisions. I'm the reason Santa has a naughty list. Very cute. And then some great stencils. So the last box also had 2 Delusions clear stamps in it as well, so that's great. And I won't try opening this one. This is more of that Stickles dry glitter. So lots of glitter, lots of holiday themed stamps. And then we have, last but not least, some black cardstock, which I think, if I remember correctly, in June's box, I got the same thing. So that is great for creating with. So now I have 20 sheets of, this is the Ranger 8.5x11 just black cardstock. So perfect. So guys, that was the box for this month. And I think it was a great haul. I'm super happy with everything this month. As always, you get some paper, you get great card sets, stamp sets. That's going to be great for the holidays. And then this wonderful selection of stickles and paints and all the shimmer. It's going to be perfect for the season. So I hope you guys enjoyed this reveal. I like sharing these with you. I hope this doesn't spoil it for any of you who are waiting. And for those who didn't get it this month, go ahead and subscribe to Ranger. Get on their Instagram, their Facebook. I'll also post the link to their website, my link I have for their website. And just follow their media. And usually within the first week, full week of the month, I think is when I've seen it. I actually believe I saw, it was over the weekend maybe? Like 11 o'clock at night I saw it post. So I caught it on like a Saturday or Friday, and then I had it this week within 4 or 5 days. So thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you want to see more of these reveals, go ahead and leave some comments. And I hope everyone's having a great week. Have a happy Wednesday. And here's to a wonderful holiday season of crafting. Thanks so much, guys.